Hello, students. After a long time, once again we are discussing IC analysis through a tree diagram, and this is a university question actually. Exemplify IC analysis through a tree diagram and limitations, right? So, IC analysis deals with immediate constraints analysis, which is a method of sentence analysis. So, please take care. This is a method of sentence analysis, okay? And this was first introduced by Leonard Bloomfield, and who was the pioneer of American structuralism, right? So that's a pioneer of American structuralism. Okay. Now, IC analysis is a technique of analyzing constituents of a sentence. Very important thing is it's a technique of analyzing constituents of a sentence, right? So that is called IC analysis. Okay. Now it can be segmented from a uh, yeah, that's a very important point again. It can be segmented from a uh, phrase, right? You can segment phrase wise, you can cut the sentence, or you can divide the sentence, or clause or sentence, whole sentence, right? So this way we can analyze the sentence. First, suppose sentence, then clause, then phrase, this way. In IC analysis, a sentence is broken up into immediate constituents. Divided constituents are, so first of all, in IC analysis, sentence is broken up into immediate constituents. That's a process. A sentence is broken up into immediate constituents. Okay. Now, divided constituents are also divided into further immediate constituents. So divided constituent again divided into immediate constituents, and this process constituents until a meaningful uh, unit of word, or a word is gotten. So ultimately it uh, ends with the words. This way you can understand. This is this process ends with the word. When word we reach to the word, then this analysis is done. For example, the IC, we can keep an example. The player plays football, right? So this is the first example. The player plays football. So first it can be divided. How this sentence can be analyzed? So it can be divided into two ICs, or single units. The players and foot plays football. So this sentence can be divided into two parts. First of all, right? This is the sentence, and this is the noun phrase. This is a verb phrase. And this is noun phrase. The players and plays football. This way. Okay. Now further, each of these part is divided as the and player, and where it plays at football. So according to this principle, we find the final RGCs of, as at last what we get, that is player plays football. Three ICs are there, right? So that is something. Let us see the example they are giving, right? So here we can see. Okay, that is not this diagram. Okay, the player plays football. This way we can do, right? So this is subject. This is, sorry, this is sentence. Okay, sentence, then noun phrase, verb phrase, then determiner, noun, then here verb phrase, verb, and noun, right? This way. Okay. Another sentence, the bird eats apple. The bird eats the apple. The bird eats the apple. Can be shown by a tree diagram, right? With PS or phrase structural rule, very important. Phrase structure rule is very important. This structure will be generated by six rules, right? Very important part. First of all, let us discuss about this PS or phrase structure rules. Phrase structure rules. The tree structure will be generated by six rules. What are the six rules? Let us see. Subject, this is subject, then noun phrase, then verb phrase. So this is noun phrase, this is verb phrase, this is verb phrase, this is noun phrase. Okay. Now here a noun phrase generally is made with the determiner, so that will be the det, and verb phrase, verb, that is verb in this sentence, right? And two nouns are there, that is bird and apple, right? Now sentence, noun phrase, verb, these are the determiner. So in this sentence you can give the labels name this way, right? Now IC analysis does not provide enough information of sentences and sentence construction. So IC analysis does not provide enough information actually, and it cannot identify a part of one sentence with another. How? It does not let us know how to construct a sentence. That's the IC a limitation of IC analysis. It does not provide enough information about uh, information of sentence and sentence construction. Which kind of sentence is this? This is simple sentence or complex sentence or something. So that's a IC analysis does not make it clear, right? For example, this is the sentence, right? So here IC analysis, this is the sentence, right? The player plays football, we have seen already, right? So here we will see that this okay. So now IC analysis, the process of analyzing units such as word, phrase, clause, sentence, which form a language, right? And in another way, we can say that IC analysis is the analysis of sentence to its immediate units or constraints. In this process, a sentence is broken into morphemes and analyzed. Okay, a sentence is first segmented into two, and these two parts are also segmented into two, and it continues until smallest meaningful units are found, right? So when there is difficulty in segmenting a sentence into two, then three or more is permitted. How? uh, because sometimes sentence is not clearly divided into noun phrase or verb phrase, then sentence is divided into three parts, right? So IC analysis does not trace which elements the constituent part are. It does not give much knowledge about sentence construction, why sentence is constructed this way. Suppose subject, verb and object, sometime verb and object, sometime subject and object, verb, this way. So IC analysis cannot indicate noun phrases are built on nouns and other phrases as the same. So that's the important part. IC analysis cannot indicate noun phrases are built on nouns and other phrases are the same. Like noun phrases are built of noun, so other phrases are verb phrase or adjective phrase, adverb phrase. See how? Furthermore, IC analysis helps us to avoid ambiguity by understanding language units. How the cat runs into the room, the baby bites her paw, the scholar becomes mad, she cries for a lollipop. We pray and forgiveness to Allah. A modest person hates wine. So that is something. Okay. So this is a very short video where we discuss limitations of IC analysis, and uh, we try to understand what is IC analysis. Okay. Thank you so much. God bless you.